Hey, what's up, my senior comrades, my youth leader out there doing their reports. I created this software specifically for you so that you can, do your reporting system, submit your report to the government so easily. And it was a presidential method that everybody come about and help the country out with whatsoever they can support or whatsoever they can do. So I just decided to create this software so that the government can keep track of all of the reports and in a systematic way. Even after this entire COVID-19 stuff, they can be able to relate to who all work and stuff like that. And also I'm doing this for you to have access to easy reporting system where you don't have to every now and then drive to town to the head office to submit. Okay, so not to waste much of your time, my senior brothers, let's drive directly into the software. And to have access to the software, you will have to go on your phone or on your laptop, go to your browser, and just type in taxforce, uh, taxforce.rf.gd, and I think I can zoom that in for you to see. Oops, come on, zoom in. When I zoom in for them. Alright, so I think this is it right here, taxforce.rf.gd. Sorry for that low resolution. Alright, and so once you type this in, you're gonna hit enter, and then this is where you're gonna learn as soon as you put in that link, and you have access to it. And from the head office, they're gonna register you and provide your user email along with your passport. So you can, for example, my email is this, and you're gonna type that one out. Then my password, punch that in. Alright, so that's my password, so I'm gonna hit login and apps. Okay, so this is the software. Once you log in, it looks so fun. Let me start it from the very top, and this is the login button. This is when you go anywhere, you want to come back to the dashboard. This is where you click, and we have a lot of options here. You want to send reports, you want to go into the chat room where you can chat with your fellow youth leaders, and you can do other things. And for this, as a reporter, you're not going to see this add user button, because you are not allowed to add users. Only the administrators from the government side can add user, and also only those administrators can view the reports that you send. So but actually in this tutorial I'm going to show you all of this, just in case you are opportune to be working as one of the administrators. All right, so stay tuned as we go through. All right, so once you log in, you're going to see that you're going to see statistical summary, and then you can see here COVID-19 cases in Liberia, and these are the total cases. Yeah, you see total cases, and we have, at the time I recorded this video, it was 166, and today case says our case is 0, and the total there in the republic now is 18, and the total survivor is 58. I mean, I'm talking about the time I started recording this video. So now you hire to the this key analytics is here for your local reports, and they're going to tell the government that the average visitor that have been coming in, that you've been sending, is going to be pulled out right here by the software. Oops, sorry for this stuff. I'm sorry, my PC went out of that. Alright, so it's going to be right here, and you're going to see average sick and average day, all of that. So if somebody wants to see that graphically, they can come down right here, change the graph. They can choose bar chart or bar chart. It's going to be represented in a bar chart graphically, and they can also choose line chart. And the line chart, the program is going to compute that automatically. All right, so that's that for that. So let's say you log in as a reporter and you want to send your report. You're going to come right here, send report, and you come right here, and then this is the form you're gonna write the number of community within your zone, and or within your district rather, and then you're gonna write the number of blocks, the number of houses, and notice that all these things are programming such a way that you cannot enter letters so that your report will be correct, and also and all of that. So you choose the date and then you hit submit, and once you do that, you're ready to go. Your report on. So maybe you want to chat with other people, you can come to chat room, and then you can click on that chat room, and then I think I've been having a couple of messages here from D1. Okay, I remember this morning Cesar and I tried to chat with one another, so we send. So I'm gonna tap some messages here so you can view that. Hello world, I am doing this for just a tutorial purpose. Alright, so I'm gonna hit send, and ups, and they say operation done successfully, and they bring me back to the dashboard. If I want to see that message, I can go back to the chat room, and let me scroll down to see if that actually went through. Yeah, it says hello world, I am doing this just should I say just for, okay, yeah, I'm doing this for just a tutorial purpose. That's it. Alright, so that's how you can work with the software, and after you send in your reports, we can come to our reports, and then we will see like this one Cesar sent out this morning for testing purpose. Here's it. He actually logged in as district 1 user, and he sent all of these reports, and we want to see all of the reports that you sent. We will see that, and we can also see the percentage, that is because one person has sent, so that is 1% of 17, or 6% of 17 rather, so 6% have sent in a report. We can also see the districts user who have sent a report today, so we can also save that. If not, so we can come down. If somebody is being kind of like not cooperating, we can delete you from the system. We come here, we see your name, your password, and we just hit delete, and behold, you'll be gone. Alright, so the system is easy to work with. I hope all you guys gonna be satisfied with this, so that we can help keep on my life work great. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. But one thing, please don't forget to log out. So I'm gonna do mine.